Hello everyone, today we will choose two indicators for trading. We will choose moving average and MACD. We will go to the MACD settings and go to styles and choose 2 pixel by 2 pixel. And save. And we go to the moving average, we choose 7, and then we choose EMA and save. Now go look for a good moment. This is a good moment here. I want to get my deals. This candle approached the moving average line and created a retracement tail, which is evidence that the price is weak higher and will continue to lower.
Here I will draw a straight line on the bottom. If the continuous candle breaks this line and closes below the line, the profit will be guaranteed, but if it closes above the line, there will be a 30% risk of losing. "5 seconds, we will make profits from these deals. We won successful deals." Here's a good moment, but I'll get 2 minutes. I will wait for the end of this candle. After that I will get 2 minutes from the start of the new candle. Now we choose 2 minutes and get deals. Why do we get 2-minute deals? Perhaps the price will remain where it is and then the price will start to higher. To ensure deals and profit, we have to get 2 minutes. Here you can see the price is back up, but slowly. If you see the MACD indicator giving us a signal that the price started higher, this is a good sign. Here, too, you can see the trend in the past. It was in a sharp and strong decline. And after that a doji candle was created and the price changed to the higher. Here, as I said before, 2 minutes to avoid any risk. The first minute the candle was very small, and the second minute the candle is higher strongly. I won 12 successful trades today on only 2 times, and today we are done. Thanks everyone for watching.